Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts to Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 of the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. Shopify is undoubtedly a leader in the e-commerce space when it comes to creating a stores you can scale. It seems to have it all: the ability to manage multiple channels, fulfillment centers, payment processors, and email marketing, all while keeping stores resilient, fast, and capable of handling thousands of transactions per minute. While some stores are okay with using basic fonts or whatever comes with their theme, you might prefer custom font options that make your brand stands out. Finding your Shopify fonts is pretty simple once you've gotten familiar with Shopify editing features. However, if you're new to it, it just takes a few easy steps. First, log into your dashboard and navigate to your left-hand menu, then click Online Store, then Themes, and tap on Customize. You'll be met with your themes editing dashboard. This is where you can change the look of your store. Though limited, it does come with some useful features, including the ability to add fonts to Shopify. On the left-hand menu, click on the paintbrush icon or the theme settings and find typography. Then modify the fonts for your headings and body text. You'll find a menu of choices that modify your universal theme settings. In your typography settings, click the Change button to update the fonts for your headings and body text. You can also adjust the font sizes for each text type and change your font weights. You'll probably recognize a lot of popular Shopify fonts already. However, you may want to try and create your own combinations of fonts to stand out. Once you've selected your preferred font, click Select at the bottom, then select the Save button in the top right corner. And then, you've modified your Shopify fonts with Shopify existing font library. As you make your changes, you'll be able to preview your Shopify theme fonts in real time. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.